Hello money viewers, it's tax season and you've got questions. As Benjamin Franklin famously once said, nothing in life is certain but death and taxes, and this year's taxes are certain to be a doozy due to the pandemic. Because Congress passed so much legislation to help people make ends meet last year, like via the stimulus checks and expanded unemployment benefits, taxes are extra confusing this year. But don't worry, I'm here to help answer your questions. Let's walk through some of the major points for the 2020 tax season together. Here we go. Number 1. When are my 2020 taxes due, and how can I file them for free? Tax filing season is in full swing. The IRS started processing 2020 tax returns on February 12th, and the deadline is April 15th. If you're a little confused, it may be because last year, 2020, the IRS pushed back the normal tax day deadline from April 15th to July 15th because people needed a little bit more time to get everything together due to the pandemic. This year, however, we're back on schedule. The 2020 tax filing deadline is April 15th, 2021, so make sure you get your returns in on time. So that leads us to filing. Did you know that some 70% of Americans are actually eligible to file their taxes for free? The IRS has this cool program called Free File, which is a partnership between the government and tax preparer services like TurboTax or TaxSlayer. If you're of a certain income level, you can actually file your federal income taxes for free through this program. Unfortunately, it's like criminally underused. In 2018, only about 2.7 million out of 134 million individual returns were filed using the Free File program. To get started, go to the IRS website and start browsing the offers. You can look at all of the offers from each partner and figure out which one works best for you and your income level. This year, the IRS has actually upped the income limit for people who are eligible for Free File. Last year it was $69,000, but this year, if you make $72,000 or less, you're probably eligible for the Free File program. But be careful. You should know that the Free File program only covers federal income tax returns. If you have to file state taxes, you may still have to pay. Number 2, do I have to report my stimulus checks on my taxes? Let's set the record straight. Stimulus checks are not considered income. They are not taxable. You do not have to put them on your taxes unless you think there was a mistake. If you believe you received the wrong amount of money, or you didn't get any money at all and you believe you were eligible, claim the recovery rebate credit. Basically, as the IRS was rushing to get its payments out last spring and this January, not everybody got the right amount. It knew the calculations weren't perfect, so it came up with a fail-safe. If you think you were eligible for a bigger stimulus check due to a life change or just an error in the system, say a direct deposit mistake or you had a baby the IRS doesn't know about yet, claim the recovery rebate credit on your 2020 taxes. You'll need to know how much government money you did receive and how much you are due. You'll submit that information to the IRS, and then the IRS will either reduce your tax bill by the amount you're owed, or it will increase your tax refund by the amount you're owed. On the other hand, if you think that you actually got too much money in your stimulus checks, you don't have to put that on your tax return either. The IRS, in general, is not clawing back money that it mistakenly gave out in the stimulus checks. Sweet deal. Question number 3, what about unemployment? To be clear, unemployment checks are taxable on the federal level and sometimes on the state level as well. You can request that 10% of each payment be withheld for federal income taxes at the time it's sent to you, but a lot of people don't do this, and a lot of times it's not sufficient to cover the tax bill that will come in April. Collecting unemployment in 2020 can also affect your eligibility for tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit and Child Tax Credit. Both of these are based on your earned income level, and unemployment income does not count. There is a loophole, however. For 2020, the IRS has instituted a special look-back rule where you can use your 2019 tax data if it helps you get a better outcome for the Earned Income Tax Credit. So there you have it. Those are some major changes to the 2020 tax season. Let's look forward to that big refund we all deserve. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media. And of course, head to money.com for more information on filing your taxes this year.